Hey bunnies, for today's Naked Sunday video, before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka with Zephyr Hills sparkling water, the pomegranate and something flavor. It's in the yellow can with the thing, yeah. And I put some grenadine in there and then a splash of Welch's passion fruit because Welch's needs to sponsor me. Okay? So go ahead and grab your drink and then come back and let us discuss. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I post these poll questions based on memes that I find on the internet. Now, what I intend on doing, what I have been doing, is using these poll questions as topics for these Naked Sunday videos. So if you would like to somehow be a part of these Naked Sunday videos some kind of way, go ahead and follow me on Instagram here and join in on the magic. Okay, so the poll question was, my thighs rub together, I have a tummy, I have to jump to put pants on, and I have stretch marks, sad face. Me, first of all, I love all that ish. Now, 86% of you said facts. 14% of you said nah sis. I feel like, okay, when it comes to this, it's a matter of opinion. It's a personal preference. You can't tell people what to like. You just have to be confident within yourself and know what works for you and your body and who you connect with on a physical or emotional or intellectual level. And that will determine whether or not you're going to be with this person. Now, when I posted this poll, what I was thinking is, bro, I have all of these. My thighs rub, I do have a tummy, I do have to jump to put pants on, and I do have stretch marks, but I have an amazing husband. Sometimes. I need to stop that. Bro, he's gonna be so mad. My husband is lit, right? We have fun in our relationship, and it's again a matter of the confidence level that you have. It's a matter of the level of attraction between you and the person. You can have all of this, the tummy, the jumping into pants and the stretch marks and the thighs rubbing together and all of that, and have so much, what's the word I'm looking for? You down yourself so much that a guy will look at you or a girl will look at you and bypass you, not necessarily because of all those things, but because you are so caught up, you're so in your head about these things that they bypass you, they overlook you, they don't think of you as sexual. Okay, so it's you who has to be confident within yourself. You have to believe that you're the prize, which you are. You have to believe that you are God's gift to man. That's how I see myself. Anybody before me or after me when it comes to my husband, they were a downgrade. I am the upgrade. I am the one. I am the only one. If he leaves me and goes to somebody else, she will never compare to me. And that is how all females should look at themselves. You should look at yourself as the prize. You should look at yourself as a queen and know your worth. Tummy, stretch marks, thighs rubbing together, and all of that. All of that. It's how you carry yourself. It's how you present yourself. It's the things that you say, the mindset that you have, the intelligence level that you have, because all of these are factors. And even though we're like, yo, men are visual creatures and men did it. Okay, and then sometimes you look at people and you're like, oh, why is he with her? Why is she with him? Everybody always get on Tiny and TIK's like, oh, why is he with Tiny? Because Tiny knows what she's doing. Tiny's confident within herself. And she can pull, she had niggas fighting over her for how long? Like, come on now. Like, at the end of the day, it's how you present yourself, how you see yourself, how you see your worth, and redeeming that worth. Is that the right phrase I'm using right here? So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if he likes all of that. If it's on you, he's going to love all of that. So at 14% who are like, nah, I don't like that. Yo, fuck them. That's on them. That's their loss. They have, you know what the problem is? They have not met a female like myself who is so confident in, and I'm not gonna say I don't have down days. I'm not gonna say I don't look at myself and I'm like, yo, I wish I was, you know, tighter in certain areas or more toned in certain areas or had longer legs or a smaller torso or whatever the case is. But that's like a 1% of the time. Majority of the time I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, yo, I'm a fucking goddess. Okay, I had 2 lives live inside of me and come out of me. Like, come on now. Come on. It's about you one, living your best life. You drinking your water, using your coconut oil, using you know, praying and meditating and just being the best version of yourself possible. If you are in the 14% who don't like a tummy, who don't like stretch marks, who don't like thighs rubbing together, thick thighs, thin patience, okay? If you don't like all of that, comment down below and tell me why you don't like all of that. Is it because the girl is not confident enough? Does she not carry herself well? Does she not present all these marvelous things to you in a way that a smaller girl does? And like I said, at the end of the day, it's just a personal opinion. Like for me, as you guys know, I am attracted to females as well. So when it comes to that, when it comes to a body type or a physique, for me, it's again how she carries herself, the energy that she gives off. Because I've been with tiny girls, I've been with big girls. It's just the energy, feel me, between me and her. Okay, so all of that, whatever you're worried about, whatever he said he don't like or whatever she said she don't like, yo, fuck all of that, because she hasn't met you yet. She hasn't experienced you, and that's fine. And that's fine. Don't let these 14%ers get to you. Okay? Okay. Again, if you want to be a part of these Naked Sunday videos, you want to be a part of the polls, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at KissyFace, KSSYFVCE. Yeah, if you feel like I should have mentioned something I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question to ask that you're too embarrassed or scared to ask in the comment section, send me an email. It's in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've been drinking, tell me what you've been drinking. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.